and I've decided to change the model of the panties for olive bralette, but just a little, yeah, because the lace I'm going to use is a non-stretch one, but I would like to have an opportunity to adjust the girth of the panties because, you know, it's really important for me in case I will gain some weight. What I did is I cut a little here on the front part of the panties and did the same thing with the back part of the panties, and here I'm going to make like a few loops, and it will look like this thing, but without these rings, only a few loops. And instead of these satin laces, I'm going to use narrow satin ribbon. So yeah, wish me luck. Because my lace is narrow, that's why I've got like two parts of the back part of the panties, and now I need to connect them, like to sew straight stitch here, yeah, and to make these two parts become one. The back part of the panties will be the beautiful lace edge, as you can see here, and that's why I didn't add the seam allowance here. On the front part of the panties, I'm going to sew an elastic band, this elastic band, and that's why I added here seam allowance equal to the width of the elastic band. And I am going to sew an elastic band like this. First, I need to do like this and sew a zigzag stitch close to this edge, and then I need to turn it to the wrong side like this and make another zigzag stitch here from this side or from the wrong side, but close to this edge. So now I need to sew a zigzag stitch here on the top of the back part of the panties. I already sewed the elastic band to the leg line, and in this video I'm not going to show you how to do it. Yeah, because I've already shown how you can do it in my previous videos, so you can go and watch it. My panties are ready, and now I need to make a garter belt like this one. My panties and the garter belt are ready to wear. Look at this cute garter belt. And panties, of course, with the ribbon laces on the side of the panties, like this. And actually, I think that the garter belt like this is a quite popular model now, and it like must have to wear. So yeah, don't miss your chance to wear the things like this. I can adjust the length of the garter belt like this on the waistline. I can adjust the length also here and here and here as well. And these straps are for legs, and of course I can adjust the length of the straps. Look at this whole winter set. Yeah, I think that it looks really delicate, and at the same time it looks really sexy. So yeah, like really good one. By the way, let me know in the comment section if you would wear the winter set like this one or you would not. And don't forget to subscribe to watch my sewing tutorials, and see you soon!